Electricity is one of our fundamental needs in today's world. Without it, life as we know it would come to a grinding halt. Transformers are among the most critical assets in the power grid system. To maintain uninterrupted service, the transformers need to be continuously monitored, primed, and protected. Protection instruments play a key role in the performance and longevity of transformers and other power equipments. Pioneers in this field are Precimeasure. Established in 1984 by a team of expert technocrats, Precimeasure manufactures various monitoring and controlling devices for electrical assets in the power generation, transmission, and distribution space. At Precimeasure, we pay utmost attention to sustainability. Our world-class manufacturing facility in Bangalore has a biophilic design that maximizes daylight and natural ventilation into the workspaces. The state-of-the-art infrastructure weaves sustainability seamlessly into solar power generation, on-site effluent and wastewater treatment, stormwater recycling, to name a few. Our other manufacturing facilities at Chennai and Vadodara house similar infrastructure, enhancing our manufacturing capability. To keep ourselves aligned with the latest development in our field, a dedicated R&D facility was set up at Coimbatore in 2004, with the sole intent of enhancing our product line with new features and additions. With a strength of more than 200 dedicated and highly experienced employees, we manufacture more than 5,000 high-quality precision devices per month. Precimeasure plants are capable of high-volume deliveries of up to 10,000 devices per month by operating in 3 shifts. We have deployed state-of-the-art machinery in our plants to reduce redundancy and increase reliability. All our critical processes are automated to ensure repeatability and precision. We have designed our assembly line processes in an efficient manner to achieve optimum productivity. Customer satisfaction has always been at the top of our priority list. To ensure that we meet the needs of our customers, we follow time-bound manufacturing processes. This leads to a faster turnaround time and on-time deliveries. Quality over quantity has been our motto since our inception. At Precimeasure, we adhere to stringent quality checks at every stage to ensure high-quality products. Every product that we manufacture is passed through an array of tests to determine its quality, durability, and efficiency. A detailed test report is generated in the end. Precimeasure is an ISO 9000-2015 certified company. The products manufactured at our facility are compliant with the relevant IEC standards and are CE and UL approved. We maintain high standards for occupational health and safety of our workforce. Our employees are geared with necessary PPEs for their protection. Our plants adhere to all fire prevention and safety standards and have extensive industrial exhaust systems in place to maintain pleasant and safe air quality. With a wide product range, Precimeasure can support you with all the necessary protection equipment for your transformers, motors, and generators. We believe in providing complete customer satisfaction. To achieve it, we offer online and on-site service support with a team of dedicated support engineers. Today, Precimeasure is a global brand with a presence in major countries across the world. With an industrial experience spanning over 4 decades and counting, we have served more than 1,000 customers, including OEMs, government organizations, and private companies. With a vision to double its manufacturing capabilities in the next 5 years, Team Precimeasure is committed to deliver high-quality, high-precision products. Precimeasure, protection and beyond.